I need to remove this Subaru's ball joint pinch bolt. I soaked it with penetrating oil for a week and could get the bolt head to move a little bit, but the end of the bolt wasn't turning at all, which means it's likely to snap. So I decided to try heat. This is rock wool, which is resistant to flame and high temperatures. I'm trying to insulate and protect the rubber CV boot. These pinch bolts break easily. I snapped one years ago and then damaged the axle boot trying to extract it. The axle spline was rusted into the wheel hub and quickly is snowballed into a much bigger and more expensive situation. I'm using an oxyacetylene torch, dumping heat in pretty quickly and trying to keep it localized. These torches are a pretty important tool for me living where everything rusts out so much. I was hoping the heat would help wick in some of the penetrating oil, but it was probably still too hot and just vaporized. I got the bolt unseized, and I figured my best option was just to blast it out with an impact. After a short cool down, things seem okay. I'll be using a new pinch bolt, so I cut grooves in the old one and used it to clean the threads. I do that quite a bit. It works pretty well.